All right, so let's go ahead and put it into drive and take it out to South Dixie. Now, like I said, this is the Q6 E-Tron Quattro system. So we're gonna have a dual electric motor, one at the front, one at the rear. Total output is gonna be 456 horsepower and 427 pound-feet of torque. And so it does have that 800 volt architecture like I was mentioning. The battery capacity is 100 kilowatts. Now that capacity is around 94 realistically. They always have it where it's 100, but there is like kind of like a little bit of a buffer zone. But let's talk about the overall driving dynamics. So setting off, driving comfortably, we have it in normal mode right now. It feels really good, actually very quiet overall interior. You can hear a little bit of that augmented electric portion that typically is expected in an electric vehicle, but once you give it some gas, very straightforward, good amount of power delivery. And when we go ahead and go into the right lane, give it some more gas, as you see, you know, it's very easy to get up to speed with this vehicle. I mean, most electric vehicles are. I really like these digital like gauges right here down the middle and then this large touchscreen display because they give you a ton of information. Like you have your range down there, how much miles of range you have, 25% overall battery, and it's just great. I really like it. You even have your tachometer and speedometer there. You could see down in the middle that it has the vehicle and cars that are around you. So it does have that kind of LiDAR detection-esque design where it kind of mimics what you would see on other cars. Now, I don't know if you noticed that, but in the heads-up display, when you're crossing over the line, it actually showed a red line to let you know that you are crossing over the line, and it actually fit perfectly in those white lines. We're gonna go ahead and drop it into the dynamic mode, and we're gonna take it down this road really quick. Oof. Oh my God, it pushes you back into your seat. Oh, that feels really good. The dynamic of this vehicle, man, it feels just like an Audi. Even look at that. That is so cool. I don't know if you picked that up on the heads-up display. Oh, wow. That is some cool tech right there. When you get closer to a new speed limit area, it will have like, you know, the actual speed limit pull forward. Look, it's doing it right now. I don't know if you guys can notice it, but it's actually doing it. It's pulling forward because it notices that a crossover there is 30 miles per hour. That is the sickest thing I have ever seen in a car, ever. Oh, this is sick. Wow, I'm a huge person about like tech and everything like that, and seeing such a thing being implemented into a car is just fantastic. Hats off to the overall UI design team for Audi. But let's get back to the overall driving dynamics of this vehicle. Like I said, fantastic ride. I mean, the suspension feels really good since this does come with the air suspension. Right now we have it in the dynamics mode, so it's sitting lower than what it would be like if you were driving in balance mode or even the comfort mode. So that's a really nice little detail to notice right there. Let's go ahead and go onto this road and let's see how this car feels. Audi Quattro systems are just something else. I mean, they're the best, and even in the electric portion, they're still one of the best. I mean, it grips, it kind of tucks down at the rear, and you could feel the front actually lifting up. Even though this is the electric variant of Audi's Quattro system, it still does that tuck from the rear and it pushes upward, almost like if you're taking off, which is amazing. Honestly, this is just a great electric SUV. It's actually, I'm gonna say it right here, it's my favorite electric SUV to be offered right now. This just looks so great. It has the right proportions, it has the right amount of tech. I mean, heck, the fact that you can get YouTube in here and play it when you're sitting in like a car park and getting charged is awesome. 307 miles of overall electric range is really useful, especially if you're driving on like roadways like this where there's, you know, a lot of traffic that goes on. But, you know, hats off to Audi. Hats off to Audi, because I have never felt so like, I never had so much fun in an electric vehicle like this. And even the tech, I mean, like I mentioned, I'm a huge tech guy, and seeing these little implementations of, you know, where the heads-up display kind of pushes back whenever you're flooring it, like make it seem like you're going, you're like, beam me up, Scotty. You're kind of like in Star Trek, you know, or even Star Wars. This is something you need to experience. This is a phenomenal car, and it just feels a lot comfortable. Now, the Q6 in, you know, category of where it sits competes mostly with, you know, like the Tesla Model Y. It also competes, you know, as well with the BMW iX. And I will say this feels a lot better when it comes to overall driving dynamics. Like, you know, you press your foot on the gas and it's just instant amount of torque. It feels good, and it doesn't feel claustrophobic like, you know, a Tesla Model Y. The Tesla Model Y is just too close, you know, it doesn't feel like an actual car. This feels like a car, you know, it feels like a true car. And honestly, this is fantastic. If you ever get a chance to actually drive one of these, please do. I mean, it's just really good. The overall driving dynamics is something that sticks true to what Audi is. Audi has been known for having a sporty overall driving dynamic, you know, that Quattro system like I mentioned, and that's what this vehicle has to offer. And it offers a ton of other stuff as well. We're gonna give it one more push. Holy crap, man. Once again, thank you all for watching. If you guys are interested in purchasing this Audi or any other Audi, make sure to go ahead and contact Audi Miami South and ask for Florin. Make sure to go ahead and use the promo code Let's Go Florin, and I'll see you all in the next video. Make sure to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Peace.